Welcome to Odd Jobs. I'm going to show you a little hack with this air compressor, so stick around. Yeah, so what happens with these things is this handle, even though it's handy to pull around or roll around, for carrying it around up the stairs and that kind of stuff, it's a bit in the way. So I used to just throw this handle away, but I think what I'm going to do this time is actually make a handle similar to that handle on this side. So I'm just going to measure it out here real quick. Right around there. I think it might work. I might be okay with that. Okay, what do we have next? We got holes here, right? Okay. I'm wondering if that screw just might work. Actually, we'll drill the hole first, and then we'll find a screw to match. Okay. I always end up saving screws, and these screws here, they came out of a set of door hinges, because hinges come with two sets of screws, a wood screw and a metal screw, and this metal screw is used when the door frames are made of metal. They have pre-drilled and pre-tapped holes, and these will cut a thread. So I drill a little bit smaller hole here so that I can just drive that one straight in. And that's going to hold really, really good. I'm going to drill another hole on this side, and we'll do the same thing. There we go. And then I actually have two handles that I can pick it up, carry it up the stairs a lot easier than that stupid long freaking handle that just gets in the way. I'm sorry it's a short video, but if you liked it, help me out. Give me a thumbs up. Tell your friends this is going to be really handy, because you end up carrying this sucker a lot more than rolling it around.